Beyond the charts, unveiling the power of fundamental analysis. Welcome, crypto enthusiasts. While the allure of price charts is undeniable, today we're diving deeper into the world of cryptocurrency analysis. This journey takes us beyond the volatile waves of price fluctuations and into the heart of what makes a crypto project tick, its fundamentals. Think of it like this. You wouldn't buy a house based solely on its exterior, would you? You'd want to inspect the foundation, assess the structure, and understand the neighborhood. Similarly, evaluating a cryptocurrency requires looking beyond the price tag to truly understand its potential. This is where fundamental analysis comes into play. By scrutinizing a project's white paper, team, technology, and market opportunity, we gain a more comprehensive understanding of its strengths and weaknesses. This knowledge empowers us to make more informed investment decisions. Get ready to explore the fascinating world of crypto fundamentals, where we separate hype from substance and uncover the true potential of blockchain technology. Deciphering the code, understanding crypto white papers. Every crypto project begins with a vision, and that vision is articulated in its white paper. Think of the white paper as the project's DNA, outlining its purpose, functionality, and potential impact. A well-written white paper clearly defines the problem the project aims to solve. It then presents a detailed explanation of the proposed solution, leveraging blockchain technology. The white paper also delves into the project's tokenomics, outlining the token's distribution, supply, and utility within the ecosystem. Finally, a comprehensive white paper outlines the project's target market and potential use cases. Understanding the information presented in a white paper is crucial for evaluating the project's viability and potential for success. It's the foundation upon which all other aspects of the project are built. The masterminds evaluating project teams and progress. Behind every successful crypto project stands a dedicated and experienced team. Evaluating the team behind a project is just as crucial as understanding its technology. Begin by researching the team's background, expertise, and track record in the blockchain space. Look for individuals with a proven history of innovation and success. A strong team will also have a clear roadmap outlining the project's development milestones and future goals. Regular updates and transparency regarding the project's progress are crucial indicators of a team's commitment and accountability. Remember, a passionate and experienced team significantly increases the likelihood of a project achieving its goals and overcoming challenges. Tech Talk unveiling the technological foundation. At the heart of every cryptocurrency lies its underlying technology. Understanding the technical aspects of a project is essential for evaluating its potential. Key factors to consider include the project's scalability, security, and level of innovation. Scalability refers to the network's ability to handle a growing number of transactions without compromising speed or efficiency. Security is paramount in the cryptocurrency world, so it's essential to assess the robustness of the project's security protocols and its resilience to attacks. Finally, look for projects that demonstrate genuine innovation, pushing the boundaries of blockchain technology and offering unique solutions to real-world problems. Tokenomics 101. Deciphering the currency of crypto. Tokenomics refers to the economic model of a cryptocurrency. It encompasses the token's distribution, total supply, and utility within the ecosystem. Understanding a project's tokenomics is crucial for assessing its long-term sustainability and potential for value appreciation. Key factors to consider include the token's distribution model, the mechanisms for controlling inflation, and the token's utility within the ecosystem. A well-designed tokenomics model aligns the incentives of all participants, ensuring the long-term health and sustainability of the project. Seizing the opportunity. Assessing market potential. Finally, it's crucial to assess the market opportunity for the project. What problem is the project trying to solve, and how big is the potential market? Research the competitive landscape to understand the project's unique selling propositions and its potential for adoption. Look for projects that address real-world problems with tangible solutions. Partnerships, collaborations, and community engagement are also strong indicators of a project's market viability and potential for growth. Fundamental analysis. A compass for crypto exploration. As we've discovered, fundamental analysis provides a powerful framework for evaluating cryptocurrencies. By delving into the project's white paper, team, technology, tokenomics, and market opportunity, we gain a deeper understanding of its potential. Remember, fundamental analysis is not about predicting short-term price movements. It's about identifying projects with strong fundamentals that have the potential for long-term success. I encourage you to explore the fascinating world of crypto white papers and apply these fundamental analysis principles to your own research. Share your thoughts and discoveries with the community.